they shine bright and bold in realms of heart and soul. Worldly ties cast aside, to immortality they strive. With drops of ocean wide, garden hearts in bloom abide. Holy fragrance spread afar, sweet perfume leads star. Oh, Spirit of pity, rise, raise souls to the main so wise, adorn them in wondrous raiment bright. Seek only the embrace that light, paths of pleasure they tread. Mysteries of thy cause are said. Grandest youth wings to soar, to mercies at the sphere implore. With drops of lotion white, God's unbloom abide. Holy fragrance spread afar, sweet perfume in each star. Oh, Spirit of curious, rise, raise souls to thy domain so wise, endow with grace from above. Soar on wings under love, become a sign of standard high. Concourse in heaven draw nigh, drops of love's ocean wide, garden hearts in bloom abide. Holy fragrance spread afar, sweet perfume beneath each star. Oh, Spirit of purity, rise, raise souls to thanks so wise. Oh, thou kind Lord, from horizons vast, souls emerge free from her cast. Like moons they shine and bold, in realms of the heart and soul unfold. Worldly ties cast aside, to mortality they stride. With drops of love's ocean wide, garden hearts in bloom abide. Holy fragrance spread afar, sweet perfume beneath each star. Oh, Spirit of purity, rise, raise souls to thy domain so wise, raise souls